do. I just love her
Good.
spirit. I love her energy. I love the fact that she could keep up with the best of them. Okay, don't sleep on her, okay? Don't sleep on her, okay?
Good afternoon. I am somewhat refreshed now after spending a day at the water park with grandchildren and family and friends, and it was so much fun. It just made me reflect on my time in Indiana with the ladies that were a part of the Sisterlock class. I expected to learn so much, and I did. But I did not expect to have such a connection with the ladies in the class. We formed quite a sisterhood. So we have this Sisterlock Sisterhood that was formed in Fort Wayne, Indiana. And I just want you to meet pretty much all of them except one that was not recorded. But I did put in a picture of her during the graduation ceremony at the end. It was just so much fun. And I want you to meet them so that you can find out why they decided to take the Sisterlock class and just get a hint of the personalities that I had a chance to experience. It was wonderful. I love you ladies. And I look forward to more time spent with you on social media, through our GroupMe page, and maybe one day, physically, we'll get together again. All right now.
Hey y'all, I'm Janelle. I'm a Sisterlock trainer, and this is my husband Willie. He is also a Sisterlock Consultant. We have been a team for a while, and so he took the Sisterlock class also to help out in the shop and be a support as I travel and teach Sisterlocks. Would you like to say anything?
Yeah, just I'm thankful to be a part of the team, and looking forward to this nice journey we're doing together. And I thank God for it taking place.
And I thank God for the two of you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm ready. All right. Ready? What question you want to ask me?
Why are you in the Sisterlock Consultant class?
I'm in the Sisterlocks Consultant class because I wanted to advance my career. A lot of clients, I think I had about like 5 clients that told me to go get it. And one of what really pushed me was I have a client who had cancer and she had traditional locks. And then when she came back from chemo, her hair grew back, but it wasn't the same texture. So she wanted her locks, and I was like, we can't do that. This is the options that we could get, which was Microlocs, because I didn't really know about, I knew about Sisterlocks, but I didn't like have an interest in wanting to get it. People been telling me to go get it, but I'm like, yeah, all right, whatever. Yeah, all right. I'm gonna push it back, because originally I was gonna plan to go come next year to do it. When she came in my chair and sat in my chair, she was like, because we sat and met up for a consultation, so I could see her hair, what she has going on now, because it's been a while since I've seen her. So we was talking, and she was like, you know, I look for sister locticians, and it's not any in Harlem like that. You need to go get yours. And I was like, and she was the 5th person. And I was like, you know what? Even though I was looking at that price, I was like, all right, I'm gonna go do it. What's to lose, right? You got it. Just roll the dice and go. So I rolled the dice, and I'm here. And I have no regrets. I am happy that I did it. I feel like I'm on a new adventure. I mean, it was my first time ever taking a plane. So I conquered my fears.
All right.
And I'm over in Indiana. And I never thought I would be. But I'm here. And that's what made me want to do Sisterlocks.
And last night when we were at dinner, Somebody said it's more than what you thought it was. They said it's a calling. You now have a purpose. How do you feel about that?
I feel that waking up with a bigger purpose and feeling a shift happening with my business. Yeah, it is. It is really a calling. It really is a purpose. So I feel like, how do you explain, like, you have that gut feeling of change that's happening. That's what I'm feeling, but I'm going scared. But I'm ready. You know?
All right.
I'm
But you're
walking.
going.
Yeah, I'm scared, but I'm going.
All right. Thank you. Thank you, Wadia.
Okay, why did I take the Sisterlock class? I have 3 granddaughters, and I wanted them to get Sisterlocks as well because they hate getting their hair done. I used to do their heads because they hate getting it done, and I started to do it other than their mother. She's a little more heavy-handed than I am. And I'm like, you know, after I got the Sisterlocks, I'm like, oh, you should get Sisterlocks too. I said, you know, like my hair. They're like, right. So the youngest said, I'll get it done. I said, okay, so I'll go ahead and take the class. So I told her I'm getting ready to take the class in another 2 months. I changed my mind. I said, okay. And then the oldest one said, I'll go ahead and do it. I said, okay, I'll go continue to take the class. And then a week after she said that, she said, I changed my mind. I'm like, really? So anyway, I decided to go ahead and take the class because I'm going to get one of them to get Sisterlock. So I figured it'd be cheaper for me to take the class and do their hair than to pay somebody to do their head. So that's the main reason why I took Sisterlock class.
So do you think you will be going beyond your grandchildren?
Oh yeah, I already have some people lined up.
Okay. All right.
But that's how it started.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Having Sisterlocks has been wonderful and an amazing journey. It has brought so much freedom, independence. When I am driving, I remember the first moment of freedom that I felt. I was driving down the highway and the window was open and the wind was flowing through my locks and they were just blowing in the wind and I felt all that wind on my scalp. It was just amazing. It felt so good. And I said, if this is what heaven is like, then I want to go there. So if you're thinking about getting Sisterlocks, please do it. It is wonderful. It is spiritual. And I just love it. Hello everyone, my name is Sisterlock. I am the owner of Natural Sense Salon in Lauderdale, Florida. And I've been a loctician for over 10 years. And I decided to look into Sisterlocks to add to my services and expand my knowledge about Sisterlocks, and I decided to take the class with Janelle Wilson. And I'm so happy that I was able to take the class because it put a lot of insight, it put a lot of depth to the myths that is living out there. It brought new perspective, new understanding for me. And I'm just excited just to be on this journey with helping people establish their Sisterlocks, helping people establish their new lock journey within the Sisterlock community. I'm familiar with helping people start their locks within the traditional lock community, but now I get to help people establish their locks in the Sisterlock community. So I'm just excited about meeting the new people that I've met, and we're all a team, we're all as a sisterhood, a brotherhood, and we're just all gonna do this together. So that's it.
Great. Now tell them how much you love me.
Y'all, I love Miss Sylvia. I do. I just love her spirit. I love her energy. I love the fact that she could keep up with the best of them. Okay, don't sleep on her, okay? Don't sleep on her, okay?
And now I need a picture of you in your mask.
Oh man, goodness gracious, Miss
Because
Sylvia.
you have something on your mask.
Oh, I do.
Yes,
Yeah.
you do. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family. I love my subscribers and my followers. And I especially love God. He has afforded me so many opportunities. He's blessed me in so many ways. I've been blessed by you, if you're watching, and continue to watch. Thank you.